Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Today's date is September 12, 2014. I'm going to take a technical picture at the New Zealand versus US dollar and the Aussie versus US dollar. Let's start off by taking a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. I'll put it on the hourly chart to start off with. Yesterday we had the Reserve Bank of New Zealand announce the interest rate decision to keep rates unchanged. During that statement and subsequent press conference, Governor Wheeler said that rates would likely stay the same until March/April type of area. Also said the currency remains high and it should have a significant decline. Continue that significant decline story despite the fact that the New Zealand versus US dollar is down 400 or 500 pips from the July meeting when said the same thing. So 500 is not enough. Looking for more in the New Zealand versus US dollar. They'll had an up and down session in trading here today. And the day on the downside, what we did find was support. Well, kind of support at the bottom side trend line, at least the second time. The first time through that level, the market failed, and we saw the big quick retracement back up. And then late in the New York session, the market moved back down, found support against the prior low, and are seeing a rebound off of that level. Looking at the 5-minute chart, you can see the bottom in place here. Anytime you make a low and then go higher, by the way, we corrected up to our resistance area that we're looking at yesterday. Prior to the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's interest rate decision, that level comes at the 8207 to 11 area off of the lows from the previous day. Anyway, we came up to that level and we found sellers. So we found buyers where we should have, or against old lows, and we found sellers against old highs. So where do we stand now? We stand a little bit above the 100 and 200 bar moving average. We've been above and below it in all day trading. Well, we can, at this point right here, it's really more of a, which way do you like it? If you like it to the upside, against the wishes of what Graham Wheeler said, you probably don't want to see the price start to move back below the 8170 level, and certainly not below the 60 level where we had the double bottom. On the top side, or on the downside, if the market should move above this top side trend line or above the 38.2, or probably more importantly above this 8207 to 11 level, then give it up to 13. The 50% retracement level is there. I would think that would be a ceiling area where you probably don't want to see the price move up for any of the shorts. So resistance up here, and support right here and right here. Let's take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. We'll start off with the hourly chart as well. And this story was a little bit different in Australia than it was in New Zealand. The Australian count last night saw the unemployment statistics come out much stronger than expectations. 121,000 jobs created. They're expecting 15,000. The unemployment rate went from 6.3, actually 6.4 to 6.1%. Most of the jobs were in part-time with 106,000 jobs created part-time, 14,000 full-time. And there's a lot of talk about seasonalities having an impact on it in a most positive way. So the market initially moved to the upside when we went up higher and approached the high price from yesterday, and also the 38.2% retracement of the move down from the high from the week, or yeah, I guess that's the week. The high, no, it's last Friday. Last Friday's high down to the low, and approach to the 38.2 and the high from yesterday's trade. Couldn't get above that level and started to rotate back to the downside, and really got traders off sides, and that led to further selling through here, all the way down, making new lows in the New York session, like the New Zealand dollar at the end of the trading here today. We are seeing a little bit of a rebound, and like the New Zealand dollar, just a little bit above the 100 bar moving average on the 5-minute chart, showing a little bit more of we did make new lows in this pair, so a little bit of a failure down below. The New Zealand again went down to the low. We'll watch this earlier low in the day to see if the price can stay above that level. That comes in at 90.95. If we can hold that level and keep the price moving above the 100 bar moving average, the 200 bar moving average will be the next target, also with the 91.37 level, which is close to these highs during the London and New York session. If you like this video and want to see more of it, please be sure to click on our subscribe button here at forexlive.com. Also, if you want more information about foreign exchange trading on a 24-hour basis, 5 days a week, you can always visit forexlive.com as well. Bye-bye. Good fortune with your trading. My name is Greg Michalowski. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.